introduce you to the new features of the DSX1000 digital microscope and demonstrate that it can switch to various observation methods quickly and easily with one touch. A conventional optical microscope requires the insertion of filters or requires pulling various levers to switch observation method. And with conventional digital microscope, the design makes it cumbersome and inconvenient to change between lenses when more or less magnification is required. The DSX1000 provides more observation conditions on more lenses than a conventional digital microscope, which has limited observation methods depending on the lens that is used. The DSX1000 does not require expert knowledge because it's simple to operate. Anyone can instantly switch observation methods by only pressing buttons on the console controller. Now let's try to find a defect on the semiconductor sample by utilizing various observation methods of the DSX1000. First, place the sample on the stage and adjust focus by coarse focus knob. The DSX1000 can be instantly switched between the 6 observation methods by only pressing the button on the console controller. As shown in this illustration, the DSX1000 has various illumination methods that make it easy to visualize your samples under different conditions. This is bright field observation and common method that illuminates sample from directly above. This method is suitable for observing the fine structure of a flat sample. The oblique observation method enhances the unevenness of a surface on the bright field only in one direction. This method is best for observing uneven or textured samples and cutting traces. This is dark field observation. You can highlight dust, scratches, and other objects by obliquely illuminating the sample with grazing incident light. The result is that dust and scratches will look bright against the dark background. This is mix observation. This observation method allows you to easily detect scratches and defects that were difficult to find with a conventional microscope by adding the detection capability of the dark field to the visibility of the bright field. This is polarization observation. By orthogonically laying out 2 polarization filters, this observation method allows you to see the contrast and coloring according to the polarization property of samples, such as metal structure or mineral. Finally, this is the DIC observation. This observation method visualizes the unevenness on the surface at the nano level, which cannot be observed in the bright field, with differences in height. This method is best for observing wafers, film, LCD, ACF, and glass surfaces. Even with the same sample, as you can see big difference by switching the observation method. Since the DSX1000 has 6 kinds of observation methods, it's possible to observe appropriately according to customer's sample and purpose.